Oh, so this is toilet time.
This is toilet time too, I guess.
Yep.
We've got a freaking shopper card here.
Yeah. Wonder if our seat will be ready for us.
They've normally got the warmers on there for your ass. They'll probably have the coffee on the bench waiting for you.
They probably will. But if it's the guy that makes them, we'll be here waiting for about 40 minutes before we even get it.
Another coffee at ETC?
No, no.
Go, 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 go. Right. Next stop Perth for fuel.
And toilet.
Toilet? You just went to the toilet.
It's cold, you know.
Oh, old women's bladder. The toilet should be coming out of there in a sec. You watch her come flying out. I'll be very surprised if she doesn't trip on something. Here she comes. It's a wonder she didn't trip over. Nothing? Talking about you're not too ready?
Ready?
Go now in front of that truck.
Don't worry your pretty little head about me then.
More ways right about you coming around that corner into here, I reckon.
I like the other bit where it's windy and it kind of goes around the bank. This is the bit I like, windy bit.
Is it?
I think so, yeah. They're home.
Mm-hmm.
At least we know who they are.
I've seen just as many people around on the weekend as has been down through this way.
Yeah. I was going to say Aladdin's Cave's not even open.
What the place do?
We've got Mount Elephant Pancake Barn down there to the right.
Yeah, they really look really nice, sir.
Yeah.
What's this place here, Rolling Soul? That wasn't there last time. That's a mudboard shop or something, isn't it?
Oh. We should stop. It was a coffee shop.
Oh.
It is. Let's go have a walk.
It's a wonderful piece of road. Just not long enough. I've got a truck in here too, so be careful.
Yep. How long is it? How many
Here's
k's?
the truck now.
Next 6 kilometres.
Yeah, 6 or 7, isn't it?
6.
Alright, okay.
How'd you know a truck was coming? Because the light was flashing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But he's taking it easy, isn't he?
Mm.
He should be able to pass. What's that sign say there?
There's double lines here though, bloke. There's double lines all the way through.
But I'm in first gear.
Yeah, I am too.
Someone's gone through the rail there.
Some truck's got the corner, I'd say. Yeah, that wheels have one gone on their trailer.
Oh, yeah. Good observation, Rusty.
It's commendable in a nice little bit of sunshine today.
Yeah.
We've stayed there.
Yeah, we have.
Though, we'll keep going, we'll keep plodding along. Beautiful St. Helens. I think it's the biggest town on the east coast, I think.
Bigger than Bicheno.
Ah, yeah, it is bigger than Bicheno, yeah.
Okay. You know, you can get a fishing tour here. Go out on a fishing boat.
Yeah,
if
you can do, yeah.
Yeah. If you don't catch anything, you don't have to pay.
Oh, is that right?
That's what they said.
Okay.
No fish, no pay.
Yeah.
Right,
Yep.
here we are at St. Helens. Already unpacked. There's Kim right there.
Hi.
Yeah, she's got the face on already as usual. You've seen this room before, but I'll just...
I've made up stamps now for my face.
Yeah, no, you need them too. Right, okay, I'll put the key in my pocket because Kim, she'll lock that door for sure. Right, there we go. Outside. And what a beautiful, glorious autumn day that is. Look at that. Absolutely glorious. Can you, well, are you going to carry this around? We're going to the bottle shop for a little excursion.
We can go show them where the bottle shop is.
Okay then.
Have you got the key?
Yes.
No, we don't have a bin.
Well, don't worry about it.
There's no bin.
Don't worry about
Well, we're just going to have to put it
it. Do it like you do at home, the floor.
on the floor.
Okay, let's go and get some grog.
Okay. Got your wallet?
I got the wallet. I got ours?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yep.
Okay, gives you a hand then so you don't get run over the traffic.
Yeah. There's no traffic.
See them seats there? Later. That's where we're drinking the stubbies, won't it, babe?
Yeah. That's our houseboat over there.
You wish it was our houseboat over there. It's good little... I'll turn you around. Oh!
I'm back.
Good little place this one because the bottle shop is just around the corner, BWS in the boat.
Right there.
Right there.
Where the bus is.
Well, just around a little bit still.
Yeah, where the bus is.
Yep,
And the servo's there, nice and
yep.
handy.
Nice and handy. Plover egg.
No, it's mushroom.
They look like a plover egg to me. Right, Kim's going to have to see. BWS. Eat your heart out. We'll go in, get some coldies, put them in the fridge, then we'll go for a walk uptown. We've got to scope the town out for tea.
Very wet sustenance. Very.
Berry?
Like very
Yeah, hold
wet.
that for us. It's on.
Very wet. It's on. Do you want me to turn it off? No, we need to have a look in here. Do you know where you're going? Oh, look what we've got. The cider fridge. This is it. 5 seats, top shelf, $14.
Hey, that's cheaper than the rest.
Go for that one then.
Yeah, cool. I got mine. I got yours too.
Is that an alcohol tasting thing? Can we go and have a look? Looks like it is.
What is
There's
it?
glasses there. I don't know.
What sort of stuff is it?
Pirate Life. I have no idea.
It's beer, is it?
I don't know. Oh, look at the tops on them.
Yeah.
That's a six-pack holder. I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
It's no good. It's only 3.5%.
Yeah, it won't do that.
Don't want that. Why? But it's our documentary on a biker's life. That's the town up
Did
there.
you copy me and put your long sleeve shirt on?
No, I had mine on to begin with.
No, you didn't. You're in the
I
shower
rode-
when I get dressed.
I rode down with mine on, remember?
Oh, you're a dirty bitch, Chen. You're all smelly.
No, I had a t-shirt on over top. Don't shake them up. You're shaking them up.
Who's done yours? I'm choking.
Hi there today, how are yous? Here we are down sunny St Helens again, aren't we, babe?
Yep.
Hey, look at that.
Lovely day.
Move back, babe, let them have a look. Beautiful view that, isn't it, eh? As you may have noticed, we're on the stubbies already.
It's only our second one.
Yeah, it is only our second one, actually. We've been doing other things. Scouting out town to see what's for tea, haven't we? Absolute glorious ride today down through here. I don't know why we don't do it every weekend.
Yeah, well, we could.
Maybe just quit work and go.
Not every weekend, every second weekend.
Every second weekend, why?
We work.
Yeah, but if we quit work,
Oh, let's just quit work.
yeah, we'll just quit work,
Just quit.
eh?
It sounds good.
Right, down here for the night. We'll be back tomorrow, won't we?
Late tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, late tomorrow afternoon. We might mosey on back and go down the coast for a little bit of a ride, I think, before we come back.
It's going to be a nice day, so
It's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow.
a bit better than today.
I don't know if it's overcast up there today or not still, but down here it's absolutely glorious. And we'll catch you later, I guess. We'll probably catch you on the road.
We'll catch you on the road. Maybe Bicheno way. We got time to do Bicheno?
No, I don't think we've got time to Bicheno, have we?
Lake Leak. Back home through.
Depends how cold it's going to be through Lake Leak. Could be a frost through there.
yeah,
We'll have to look her up on the weather app.
We'll have a look. On
Could
the
be
web.
Lake Leak, then Campbelltown, then home. Brekkie at Campbelltown.
That sounds good.
Okay then.
Yep.
Rightio, we'll
Bye.
catch you on the road.
Get over you. And just last time, you played me like an ace. I could see no trace of that warm smile. And that glitter of gold was lost somewhere behind your eyes. And it took a little time for me to get over you. Baby, I'm alright. You took me for a fool every time I lay by your side. But that diamond you were digging for didn't shine in the daylight. But for the sparkle in your eye, I would see right through. And just last night, time. But baby, I got your number and the spell you had me under is out of sight. But it took a little time for me to get onto you. Oh baby, don't you know that I'm alright? You took me for a fool every time I lay by your side. But that diamond you were digging for didn't shine in the daylight. But for the sparkle in your eye, I wouldn't see right through. Oh baby, don't you know that I'm alright? You took me for a fool every time I lay by your side. But that diamond you were digging for didn't shine in the daylight. But for the sparkle in your eye, I wouldn't see right through. The sparkle in your eye, I wouldn't see right through. I was taken by the glitter of gold in the corner of your eye. There was something behind your smile that made it all worthwhile. But it took a little time for me to get over you. And just last time, you played me like an ace. I could see no trace of that warm smile.